Take a look at this chat interface. You ask a simple question about your own research paper, and the AI gives you a blunt response. I don't know. It's a frustrating, familiar dead end. That failure happens because of how standard large language models are built. These models are incredibly intelligent, but their knowledge is limited to their pre-training data, the historical information they were originally fed before they were released. So while the AI can instantly summarize a 19th century novel or explain quantum mechanics using the internet, it has no access to your immediate reality. It doesn't know what's in your private emails, your local PDF files, or your personal records. The problem isn't a lack of intelligence, it is a lack of access to your specific context. The most common workaround is manual. You take a 500-page report, copy the text, and paste the entire document directly into the chat prompt. But this approach often breaks. Pasting huge blocks of text can overwhelm the AI's context limit, the amount of information it can process at once. This leads to slower response times and a higher chance of the AI hallucinating or making mistakes to fill the gaps. Rather than cramming data into a window, developers created a way for the AI to search and reference external files on its own without needing a manual copy-paste. This shift requires a structural change in how AI retrieves information. We call this concept RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. While it sounds like complex engineering, the process is actually very straightforward. Imagine a friend named Alex who is a genius but lives across the country. You want Alex to help analyze your family history, but Alex has never actually seen your family records. If you ask Alex a specific question about your ancestors right now, Alex can only give you a generic guess based on what's typical for family histories. The solution is to mail Alex copies of your photos, letters, and documents first. Alex reads through them, and then, when you ask your question, the answer is based on those specific records. RAG performs this exact document-first preparation process, using artificial intelligence instead of a human friend. In a digital environment, RAG operates through a strict three-step pipeline. Step 1, indexing. Your disorganized documents convert into an organized database grid. Step 2, retrieval. The system scans that grid, pulling out specific relevant data blocks. Step 3, generation. The AI uses those specific blocks to build your exact answer. By following this pipeline, the AI stays anchored to the specific text you provided, which significantly reduces the chance of it drifting off topic or making things up. Because this pipeline is adaptable, the same mechanic can be applied to very different tasks. A student can upload a semester's worth of class notes to generate a study guide based strictly on what their professor taught, rather than relying on generic web summaries. A job seeker can upload their resume alongside a specific job description to instantly see which of their skills match the role and where they have gaps. A business owner can scan thousands of customer emails to identify the most frequent complaints, turning hours of manual reading into a single summary. These three scenarios use the same retrieval pipeline to connect a generic AI model to the private, local information it wasn't originally trained on. RAG is already being integrated into the enterprise software, search engines, and email clients we use every day. We are seeing a move toward AI models that function as secure, private assistants with access to your specific data. You can test this yourself right now. Upload a document to an interface like Claude or ChatGPT and ask a question about a specific detail within it. Developing smarter models is no longer the only goal. The focus is now on how effectively and securely an AI can connect to your specific world.